traditional Hula performing lesson one, she will be using bamboo sticks known as pu'ili to tell her story. This hula is titled Maikai Keaukaha. This kahiko honors the beautiful Keaukaha on the island of Hawaii near Hilo, and the mele celebrates its famous places, winds, rains, and natural beauty. Tiare chose this kahiko because she had the opportunity to move to Hawaii for school and learn from Kumupele. Kumupele is the teacher who performed the uniki rites for her own Kumuhula Irian Hili Onalani. It's an amazing honor to experience for Tiare to do what she loves while learning from these respected leaders in the community. She will forever cherish these opportunities. Give it up for contestant number 1, Tiare Cabiles.
Maika ike o kahari ka huluhala, ala e I ka hanua o ka hinano. Maika ike o kahari ka huluhala, ala e I ka hanua o ka hinano. Manoa na hua I ka o puhi, o ia akanoi kula lua lua. Manoa na hua I ka o puhi, o ia akanoi kula lua lua. Lua ole I ka nani a o loko aka, I laka I ke ala e moa ni nei. Lua ole I ka nani a o loko aka, I laka I ke ala e moa ni nei. Hei mana hie a o ai uri, hui po I ke hoa uri kuki lima. Nei mana hie a o ai uri, hui po I ke hoa uri kuki lima. A oe mamina no ele hia, ni ai ka mana ho o kale alea. A oe mamina no ele hia, ni ai ka mana ho o kale alea. Kumana ke o kaha I ka uruhara, ala e I ka hanu a o ka hinano. Kumana ke o kaha I ka uruhara, ala e I ka hanu a o ka hinano. No ke o kaha I ka uruhala.